Good morning, children. So now we are going to discuss another topic, that is temperature coefficient of resistivity. Let us see what is temperature coefficient of resistivity. You already studied about resistance of a conductor. We know this term, resistance. Resistance means it is a property of a conductor to oppose the flow of current. That property of a conductor to oppose the current, flow of current, is known as a resistance. And according to the Ohm's law, we study that V is equal to IR, so R is equal to V by I. So here we are discussing the temperature coefficient of resistivity. So first we are going to discuss what is resistivity and what is the dependence of resistivity of a conductor with the temperature. That things only we are going to discuss. So already we have seen what is the expression for drift velocity of electrons. Drift velocity is given by Vd. Vd is equal to E tau by m, where E is the charge of an electron, capital E is the applied electric field, and tau is the relaxation time, and m is the mass of an electron. So drift velocity is given by E tau by m. Now electric field, we know that electric field in terms of potential, we can express this as E is equal to V by L. So this value we can substitute here. So drift velocity Vd is equal to E V tau by m into L. This way we can modify the equation for drift velocity. Vd is equal to E tau by m. Now we can substitute this value of a drift velocity in our equation. Current I is equal to, we already discussed as NEA Vd. So in this expression we can substitute the value of this drift velocity. That means I is equal to NEA Vd value we can substitute from this. E V tau by m into L. So our equation becomes I is equal to N E square A V tau by m into L. This way we can modify our equation. Now we can arrange, because we have already seen that R is equal to V by I. Resistance is considered as V by I. From this equation we can get this resistance. R is equal to V by I. So here V is there, so we can take V by I. If we are taking V by I, that means V by I is equal to R. V by I is equal to, we can see that from this, it should be EM L divided by En E square A tau. We can mention this expression. Now you see that we are rearranging this equation. V by I, we know what is that? It should be R, resistance R only. R is equal to, you can see that I will modify this equation as M divided by En E square tau into L by A. So this term you can see that M divided by N E square tau. Because already we studied that the resistance R is equal to V by I. From that equation we are getting, from that equation V by I is equal to ML divided by N E square A tau. So R is equal to, this way we are modifying our equation, M divided by N E square tau into L by A. So we can write this equation as, this is a constant only. We can see that M divided by N E square tau is considered as a constant. That constant is called as a resistivity rho L by A, where rho is given by Em divided by N E square tau. This is the expression for rho. Rho is known as resistivity of a conductor, where rho is known as a resistivity. So this way we can find the expression for R is equal to rho L by A, where rho is known as resistivity. So resistivity means it is the resistance of a conductor which is having unit length and unit area of cross section. So let us see what is the dependence of resistivity with the temperature. Suppose you are considering the case of a conductor. Let a conductor we are considering at the temperature T1. Let the initial temperature is considered as a T1. Let rho is the resistivity of this conductor. Like after some time we can consider like another temperature, like a T2 is the increase of temperature. Temperature is increases to T2. resistivity earlier, like T1 is the temperature, initial temperature, resistivity is considered as rho 1. We can consider that T2 is the temperature after some time, so like rho 2 is the new resistivity of this conductor. So we can mention this as, if we are considering the case as a new term that is known as temperature coefficient of resistivity, we are represented as alpha. Alpha is equal to what is that rho 2 minus rho 1 divided by rho 1 into T2 minus T1. That means temperature coefficient of resistivity is defined as, it is the change in resistivity per unit original resistivity and per unit change of temperature. That means rho 2 minus rho 1, that is the difference of resistivity, divided by original resistivity and the change of temperature. So rho 2 minus rho 1 divided by rho 1 into T2 minus T1. So this way we can define this term, a resistivity of a temperature coefficient of resistivity. Same way, if you want to representing temperature coefficient of resistance also, in terms of resistance we are representing alpha is equal to R2 minus R1 divided by R1 into T2 minus T1. This way also we can represent it in terms of resistance, temperature coefficient of resistance. That means alpha is equal to R2 minus R1 divided by R1 into T2 minus T1. Let us consider what is the dependence of this resistivity with the temperature. In the case of a conductor, we can say that this alpha, temperature coefficient of resistivity, is a positive. That means as the temperature is increases, resistivity of the conductor is also increases. So in the case of a conductor or in the case of a metals, as the temperature is increases, resistivity of the conductor is also increases. So alpha is considered as a positive. So in the case of a, we can consider the alloy that is a nichrome. In the case of a nichrome, you can see that what is the dependence of resistivity with the temperature. This is the dependence of resistivity with the temperature we can express. As the temperature is increases, resistivity will also increase. Same way in the case of metals, you can see that as the temperature dependence of resistivity. But in the case of a metal, for example, in the case of aluminum, it is not exactly a straight line. It is a somewhat curve, like this curve is going in the case of the temperature dependence of resistivity. Same way in the case of insulator, semiconductor, you can consider the case of a semiconductor. What is the dependence of resistivity with the temperature? So temperature T and the resistivity is considered as a rho. In the case of a semiconductor, you can see that the semiconductor, you can observe that in the case of a semiconductor, as the temperature is increases, resistivity will decrease. Like this curve is coming in the case of temperature versus resistivity for a semiconductor. This property of a semiconductor we are using in the case of electronic equipments like transistors and all. So you can see that temperature is increases, the resistivity will decrease. Similarly, in the case of insulator also, as the temperature is decreases, the resistivity will also decreases exponentially. So this way we can discuss the case of a temperature coefficient of resistivity of a material.